Tashi Dilek Namo Buddha, myself Shakya. I'm running social medias as a Tibet Dr. Shakya. Now your town.
Hi, my name is Kamal Choma and my Insta is Garden. See you there.
Hi, I'm Gunsang and my Instagram channel or YouTube channel is Stories of Tibetans.
Hello, my name is Jinsel. I have my Insta channel. I am Jinsel.
Hi guys, name is Gadget. Yeah, my name is Cindy Gadget and my channel is Singtola and I'm just enjoying my time here and yeah, on to the next one.
Hello everybody, my name is Tenzin Amtol. I'm from Ladakh. My Instagram ID is Tenzin Amtol.
Hello, my name is Tenzin Rapka and my YouTube account is @TenzinRapka1959.
Hello, my name is Tenzin and I have
Hi, my name is Tenzin Legman and I'm not a content creator. I'm just here
I'm hunting
for food, I guess.
Yeah, you can speak. Yeah, very well.
Love that.
My name is Sarah Bagmo and my channel name is
Again. Yeah. This is list. Do this.
Hi, my name is Sarah Bagmo and my channel name is Lucy Foods. And the job.
Okay, now there are so many content creators, so you can see in one place. Say hi. Please, hi. Please, hi. So, hello, hi. Hi, hello. Okay. So support each other and together.
Yeah.
We work together.
Let's grow
then
together.
we go. How to say?
Let's grow together.
Yeah, grow together. Fake hello.
Grow together.
Hello.
Gongdo Pen!
Gongdo Pen.